I'm going to be showing you how to log in to your Care Credit account. So for that, you need to visit the official website, or you can try using the Care Credit mobile app. So I'm just going to be showing you how to do it via app. Just go to your app library and you can find your app store right there at the top. Just go ahead and tap here, and in the search button you need to search for Credit Care or Care Credit, like this. After you tap this, you have this option right there that says Care Credit Mobile. Just go ahead and tap on Kept, verify yourself, and the download process should begin. Just wait for the app to download. So, in the app, you'll find these two options right there that says register or sign in. Just tap on the first option right there and wait for it to load, and just enter your account number and tap on continue, and this will help you log into Care Credit. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.